In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Grok AI slow responses, Fast Fix 2026. If Grok has been taking too long to reply, the quickest way to speed things up is by switching the response mode inside the chat. I'll walk you through exactly where to find it and what each option means so you can pick the fastest setting with confidence. Start by opening a modern browser and heading to grok.com. Once the site loads, you're ready to go. If you have an account, you can sign in now. Logging in isn't strictly required for this fix, but it helps save your conversation history and preferences so you won't have to set things up again later. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI chat interface. This is where you type your questions and get answers. Take a moment to locate the message box and the controls around it. Near the chat bar, there's an option that controls how the AI will respond. Depending on your screen size or theme, this might look like a small label, a chip, or a button next to the input field. Click that option to open a drop-down. You'll see several choices, typically including Auto, Fast, Expert, Grok 4.1, and Heavy. Here's what they generally mean so you can make the best pick. Auto lets Grok choose for you, which can be convenient but may occasionally select a heavier mode that's slower. Fast prioritizes speed and responsiveness, giving you quick, concise answers. Expert and Heavy aim for more depth and reasoning, which can be great for complex tasks but often take longer. Grok 4.1 refers to a model variant. Depending on your query, it may emphasize capability over speed. To fix slow replies right now, choose Fast. After selecting Fast, type your question in the chat box and hit Send. You should notice answers arriving more quickly, often in short bursts that let you skim and move on. If your goal is rapid iteration, brainstorming, quick clarifications, or trying multiple ideas, Fast is the ideal setting. A couple of tips to make the most of this mode. Keep prompts focused and clear. Shorter, well-structured questions typically return faster results. If you need more detail after the first reply, ask a follow-up rather than packing everything into one long prompt. And remember, you can switch modes at any time using the same drop-down. Use Fast for speed, then switch to Expert or Heavy later if you need deeper analysis. That's it. Open grok.com, optionally sign in, find the mode selector in the chat bar, and switch to Fast. Enjoy the snappier responses and get more done in less time.